Well, a couple weeks back I did a cement patch in here. The owner painted this, he put new wood in here. And then over here I did some more patches and they painted it. So I'm just going to show you how I patched it and go from there. Okay, we got to do a little patch right here. So another little spot. Another little spot right here. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is put a little black paper down here. See what this is all about. It's not going to be a big deal. It. So take it out. Okay, dug it out. Gonna brush it all out of here. Just like that. See where we are. That's where we are. I'm gonna pick up some of this junk here. I'm gonna mix some of this rapid set mortar mix up like this. Add the water. No big deal. So that's about where we want it, just like that. And like I told you, make sure you wet it first. You want it to stick in there. Make sure you wet it. Then get our glove. We're just gonna pack it in there. Anything that works. Not a big deal, see? Stones, that don't work. That'll work. Pack it up in there so no critters get in there. See, it's no big deal. Stone in here, up there, up in there, there, like that. Let's get the water and just wet that a little bit. And do the second one, you know we already wet it first. Get your hands and get it in there. Hands are better than any trowel or tool. See that? And you got it in there. Go around the sides a little bit. We'll come back. All right, we're back. 10 minutes later, and we're gonna put our second coat on. Got to put pressure on it. See? A little bit of pressure. That's it. Like this. That's it. I'm going to set that up a little bit and come back and sponge it. Now we waited a little while to get our sponge out. And you sponge it. No big deal. Get these from my cousin's car seat. What's that? That's it. Now we're back at this one. That's it. That's done. Okay, that patch is all done. Then that patch is all done. That's it. So with this video, I'm going to start a new series. It's called Masonry Patches, Tips and Tricks. Just little jobs that people ask me to patch things up on. And there's a lot of interest in that. I didn't think there would be, but as you can see, I just used a rubber glove. I just went in there, rubber glove, a trowel. I used that mortar mix real quick. Boom, boom. It dries in 20 minutes. The owner was going to do the whole front masonry, but then all the places down the street had like that old New England wood on it. So he decided he was just going to put the wood in, just patch up the sides, and then they just paint it. And it came out really well. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until I see you in the next video.